Hey there, lovely folks! Welcome back to the For Real channel, and I'm your host, Anna. Today we're diving into a common tech hiccup that can be a real head-scratcher: AirPlay not working. If you're having trouble streaming your favorite content from your Apple device to your TV, you've come to the right place. We've got all the solutions you need to get AirPlay back on track. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What is AirPlay? Well, it's like magic for your Apple devices. AirPlay lets you wirelessly share content from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac onto your TV or speaker. It's perfect for sharing photos, watching movies, and even playing games on the big screen. Think of it as your own personal casting spell. Now, let's talk about how to enable AirPlay. It's a piece of cake. Your Apple device just needs to be on the same Wi-Fi network as your Apple TV or AirPlay gadget. Make sure you're rocking the latest software updates and you're good to go. When you're ready to share your content, find what you want to beam to your TV, whether it's a video, photo, or song. Simply tap the AirPlay icon. Sometimes it's hiding behind the share button, and pick your Apple TV or AirPlay device. You've got separate buttons for video and audio, so it's easy peasy. Want to mirror your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch using AirPlay? Swipe open Control Center, tap the AirPlay mirroring button, select your device, and you're all set. If there's a passcode on your TV screen, just punch it in, and voila, your device is mirrored on the big screen. And for our Mac users out there, mirroring is a breeze too. Click the AirPlay icon in your menu bar, choose your AirPlay device or Apple TV, and if there's a passcode on your TV screen, enter it on your Mac. You can even use your TV as a separate display if you're feeling fancy. Are you enjoying the video so far? Before we continue to the troubleshooting part, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell. Now, on to the next part. Okay, here comes the real superhero part, fixing AirPlay problems. We've all been there, right? Here are the steps to rescue your AirPlay. Step 1. Check your Wi-Fi network. Make sure both your Apple device and AirPlay gear are on the same Wi-Fi network. No network hiccups allowed. Step 2. Power up. Ensure your Apple TV or AirPlay device is powered on and wide awake. We don't want any devices snoozing on the job. Step 3. Toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Try turning off and then on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iOS device. You can do this from Control Center or in your device settings. And don't forget to update your Wi-Fi router's firmware. Step 4. Update all the things. Update your Apple TV to the latest software by going to Settings to General, then to Update Software. And don't neglect your iOS device. Update it to under Settings to General, then to Software Update. Step 5. Router reboot. Sometimes a reboot is all you need. Restart your Wi-Fi router, AirPlay device, and even your iOS device if necessary. Step 6. One at a time. Make sure only one device is trying to stream at a time. Too many cooks can spoil the AirPlay broth. Step 7. App interference. Certain third-party apps can cause trouble. If you've got apps like Duet or AirParrot, uninstall them. They might be causing a ruckus. Step 8. Lift restrictions. Go to Settings, to Screen Time, to Content and Privacy Restrictions, and make sure restrictions are turned off. If you're using a Mac, there are a couple of extra steps. Step 1. Firewall check. Head to System Preferences, to Security and Privacy, then to Firewall. Make sure the Block All Incoming Connections box is unchecked, and automatically allow built-in software to receive incoming connections is checked. Step 2. Reset NVRAM and PRAM. Shut down your Mac, then restart it while holding down the keys option plus Command plus P plus R. Keep holding until you hear a startup chime. This will reset some settings and could work wonders. We made it! You're now an AirPlay troubleshooting champ. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech tips, and leave a comment below sharing your AirPlay success story or any questions you might have. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in to For Real, and until next time, stay techie, my friends.